Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking about why silver has crashed sharply, what's driving the volatility, and what's the future outlook might be for this precious metal. So, what just happened? Recently, silver prices plunged dramatically after hitting records high. Some sessions saw drops of over 30% in a single day, which is extremely rare for a major commodity like silver, almost the worst in decades. So silver fell from historic peaks and paired with golds. It experienced one of the steepest sell-off in a years. So what are the key reasons behind the crash? Let's try to find out. So one is profit taking after a huge rally. So silver had a massive multi-month rally with large gains that tempted traders to lock in profits. When too many investors sell at once, prices can reversely sharply, and that's what happened. So what's the key reasons behind the crash? Silver had massive multi-month rally with large gains that tempted traders to lock in profits. When too many investors sell at once, prices can reverse sharply, and that's what happened. So the second reason, like the US dollar strength and Fed policy shock, the big catalyst was news that Kevin Warsh was nominated as the next US Federal Reserve Chair. Analysts saw this as a sign of tighter monetary policy, boosting the US dollar and dampening demand for non yielding assets like silver. When the dollar strengthens, silver usually suffers because it becomes more expensive for global buyers. So, what is the third reason? The higher trading cost, margin hikes. The CME Group, which runs silver future markets, raised margin requirements, meaning traders had to put up more money to hold positions. Higher margins caused many leveraged traders to cut positions, adding to the sell-off. What is the next reason? Maybe like market speculation and liquidity squeeze. Silver market are not as deep as stocks or bonds. So, sharp moves and panic selling can magnify price swings. Reduced liquidity during the sell off mean price moved faster than usual. So, what is the outlook now? So, maybe some experts suggest this is a continuation of correction after an overheated rally, not a structural collapse. But sentiment remains fragile. If traders stays risk off and the dollar stays strong, silver could stay under pressure for weeks to months. Some analysts expect sharp swings, downside followed by rebounds, especially if physical demand picks up. So the long-term outlook will be silver fundamentals still strong. Here is why some investor remains bullish over the long term. The first one is industrial demand. So silver is essential in solar panels, electronics, EVs, and high-tech manufacturing. And second is structural deficits. Productions has not kept up with demand globally. Third one will be safe haven demand. So geopolitical and inflation fear can still push money into precious metals. So these factors could support price again over next 6 to 12 months. So what are the key takeaways for the investor now? So if you are a long-term investor, corrections are normal after rapid rallies, and if you are trading short term, you will always expect volatility and consider risk management tools like stops or position seizing. For everyday viewers, this crash illustrates how macro news can shake markets instantly. So silver's crash is not just a technical glitch, it's a reaction to real market forces, profit booking, policy expectations, and liquidity changes. While prices may remain volatile, The underlying drivers for long-term demand are still robust. And again, a disclaimer: uh, I am not a registered investment analyst or investment advisor. So please consult your financial advisor before you take any positions in these precious metals. So thank you so much for watching my video.